Had to rebuild a challenged drill head. Mostly the biggest problem was this hole got damaged on the old spindle. You can see here how chowdered up it is. And the reason for that is because users aren't using the drill bit removal tool properly. They're sticking it in one hole and then they're just prying on it. Now that will work, but the problem is the prying action messes this hole up quicker. What you want to do, what's important to do, is take your tool. Now this tool's got a little nick in it, but you take your tool, this flat surface, you slide it through, and you make sure that it's peeking out the other hole. It goes completely through the spindle. Once it's through the spindle all the way, normally a little pry up or down should pop a drill bit loose. Okay? If you're having trouble and it seems like you're prying too hard on it, then what you can do, I'm going to get this bit in there a little tighter. Then what you can do, get that sticking out that hole, the flat spots down towards the drill bit, and then you just give it a crack with the hammer. And that will break a stubborn bit loose out of your drill head. Now keep in mind, you want to keep the spindle hole clean. You want to keep your drill bit clean, free from rust. Put a little light coat of oil on them and wipe them down when you store them and put them away for a while. Then when you get them out, wipe them off with the rag. Wipe the hole out with the rag. Obviously, kill the power to the machine. You would never touch any of this stuff while the machine's running. So you would disconnect your power before you service it. But the important thing to remember is this tool, whatever tool you get with your drill, goes through both holes. Then give it a little bit of a pry. If it doesn't pop loose right away, then tap it with a hammer, and then that will always get it loose. And the hole lasts longer, and you won't have to spend $800 having a head rebuilt. Any questions or comments, let me know.